quick tip. So when you are making salmon croquettes, if you take and chop your red onions real fine and fry them in the oil, I just do a thin layer of oil before I fry mine. Fry them in the oil, then take them out and throw them in the pan. Now this is grapeseed oil that I'm using. Take them out and put them in the pan that you're mixing up your salmon croquettes like this. So this is the bowl. I have some cornmeal, a little bit of flour, and I'm going to add these onions. You can also do your garlic like this as well, like that. This oil is going to have that onion flavor. It's going to be so amazing when you fry them. So let me get my rest of my seasons in here and show you. It's time to patty them. Now they're going to have that onion flavor all through them. Oh, it's going to be so good. Do the same thing with garlic. The bomb. I didn't feel like chopping up garlic. Enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed this tip.